Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Los Angeles is once again facing a devastating wildfire disaster. The recent fire outbreak has left countless homes destroyed, lives lost, and communities shattered. Today, we took a closer look at how this tragedy began, the scale of destruction, and the brave effort underway to bring it under control. Let's uncover the detail of this catastrophic event. This wildfire began on January 7, 2025 in the Pacific Palisades and Eaton Keon areas. The region had been experiencing an intense drought, the driest in recorded history, coupled with fierce Santa winds blowing at speed of up to 100 miles per hour. These conditions turned the area into a tinderbox. Initial reports suggest that a fault in Los Angeles power grid near electrical tower may have triggered the spark. Investigations are still ongoing, but the combination of dry vegetation, high winds, and extreme drought created the perfect storm for this disaster. The scale of destruction is staggering. So far, the fires have consumed over 38,000 acres of land, leaving more than 13,400 structures damaged or destroyed. Tragically, at least 16 lives have been lost and more than 50 people have been injured, including first responders. The primary cause of these injuries have been smoke inhalation and burns, highlighting the dangerous condition faced by residents and emergency crews alike. Some of Los Angeles' most affluent neighborhoods have not been spared. Leighton Minster and Adam Broadway's $5 million residence in Pacific Palisades was reduced to ash. Paris Hilton's iconic $8 million mansion was among the homes destroyed. Dennis Keith and Sarah Michelle Gellar were forced to evacuate as their multi-million-dollar properties were consumed by the flames. More than 700 firefighting personnel have been deployed to combat this massive blaze. The Los Angeles Fire Department, California Call Fire, and the California National Guard are leading the charge, with additional support from federal agencies. Specialized teams have been using helicopters, bulldozers, and water tenders to battle the inferno, but strong winds and dry conditions continue to hinder progress. As of now, the fire is only 11% contained, and the battle to bring it under control continues around the clock. Firefighters are working tirelessly, knowing that the weather shows no sign of improvement in the day ahead. The economic toll of this disaster is immense. In short, losses are estimated to exceed $20 billion, while total economic losses could reach $15 billion. Affluent neighborhoods with high-value properties have significantly contributed to these figures. Many families have lost everything, and the path to recovery will undoubtedly be long and challenging. In the effect of this tragedy, the community has become together. Shelters has been set up to accommodate those displaced by the fires, and donation drives are underway to support the victims. This disaster serves as a sobering reminder of the growing impact of climate change and the urgent need to prepare for such event in the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe me for more informative videos.